Welcome to Informatica Cloud B2B Gateway on-demand course. In this module, we will explain partner onboarding in Informatica Cloud B2B Gateway. After completing this module, you will be able to define partners, differentiate between customers and suppliers, and configure message types. An organization's partner could either be a customer or a supplier. A partner cannot be both. For each partner, you can define an inbound flow, an outbound flow, or both. When you define a partner in Informatica Cloud B2B Gateway, you select the type of partner, configure message exchange details as agreed upon between you and the partner. Message exchange details include the type of messages that you exchange with the partner, the communication protocols through which you exchange data with the partner, whether or not you send functional and technical acknowledgements to the partner, the mappings that you use for inbound and outbound flows, and the execution schedules. You just saw how Informatica B2B Gateway for EDI lets you quickly and easily onboard your trading partners. Using a three-step wizard, you set up a partner, define a communication method, and assign the relevant EDI messages that you wish to exchange with the partner. After the partner is onboarded, you can exchange messages with them and with the push of a button. Now let us understand the difference between the customer and supplier. The partner type defines the expected direction of messages between the organization and the partner. A customer is a partner who places an order with the organization. So the customer generates a purchase order EDI and then sends it to the organization. The organization sends an acknowledgement in response. The purchase order document contains information including item, prices and quantities ordered, shipping details, payment terms, discounts. A supplier is a partner with whom the organization places the order, request for fulfillment. In response to the order, the supplier sends the invoice back to the organization. To create a partner in Informatica Cloud B2B Gateway, select Partners from the Navigator pane. From the Partners page, click the New Partner drop-down and select the type of partner you want to create. Based on your choice, New Customer or Supplier page will appear where you will define basic properties such as name, number, and file type. In the File Type field, you can specify type of files, such as EDI X12 and EDIFACT, to exchange with the partner. Based on this message type, the partner message step is varied. While adding a new partner, you must configure the inbound and outbound properties, which we will discuss in the upcoming modules. After you define the basic properties of a partner and selected the file type X12 or EDIFACT, you must define the messages you expect to exchange with your partner. The partner message page of the partner wizard varies according to the file type selection. Informatica Cloud B2B Gateway rejects every incoming outgoing message that is not listed for this partner. Below are the properties that you define in the message page when creating a partner with EDI file type. Message types, you can select the type of messages that you exchange with the partner. You can add few or all supported message types from the Add Message drop-down. The list of message types includes the supported X12 or EDIFACT message types. Based on the file type you select for the partner, after you select a message type, you can enable or disable the use of message type when exchanging messages with the partners as required. For each message type, you must select the version number that you use. It signifies a version of the message. For example, 4020, 5030, and 6040. You can select whether to use this type of message in test mode or in production mode. When you define the messages for a partner, you can also configure security and authorization information. You can create a message structure while creating a new partner to handle an incoming custom file. Alternatively, when you configure a partner, you can create an intelligent structure to handle a specific message. For a non-EDI file type, you can either use custom mappings or intelligent structure discovery to create a process to handle incoming Excel, TXT, and CSV files. The process creates CSV files with selected fields. For a non-EDI file type, you must run intelligent structure discovery on a sample file, where you can tune and adjust the discovered structure. The intelligent structure discovery in Informatica Cloud B2B Gateway and machine learning algorithms automatically discover file structures and create a process that parses custom files. Intelligent structure discovery uses artificial intelligence to automate structure discovery for files that do not follow industry standards. Note that a given partner can be set up for only one type of transaction. Non-EDI processes can also be used to onboard other custom messages or documents such as PDF, Word, custom flat files, etc. After intelligent structure discovery runs the discovery process on a file, it creates and displays a message structure that contains all the identified data elements. In the Visual Model tab, you see a tree structure diagram of the message structure that shows a relationship between various elements. To refine and customize the message structure, you can select an element and then combine, exclude, flatten, or collapse the element. After you create and save a message structure, you can view, edit, or delete it. When you configure a partner, you can select an existing message structure or create one to process a specific incoming file for the partner. In the Table tab, you can view the output groups that Intelligent Structure Discovery will create when using the message structures to process incoming files. Intelligent Structure Discovery will create a separate interface file in CSV format for each output group. The interface files then pass to the process-to-backend mapping for further processing. In this demonstration, the instructor will configure the general and message page to create a new partner. In this demo, we will create a partner in Informatica Cloud B2B Gateway. Log in to the Informatica Cloud B2B Gateway console. The Home tab of Informatica Cloud B2B Gateway showing the Welcome page appears. Select Partners from the Navigator pane. A Partners page appears, displaying a list of available partners in Cloud B2B Gateway. A partner could either be a customer or a supplier. To create a new partner, click the New Partner button. From the drop-down, select a partner type. The fields and configuration options are similar for both customer as well as supplier. For this demo, select Customer. A new partner wizard appears. Initially, it contains 3 steps: General, Inbound, and Outbound. Based on the file type, an additional step for messages is shown. Let's start configuring the steps one by one. In the first step, on the General page, enter Customer Superstore in the Customer Name field, and enter Cust01 in the Customer Number field. Select EDI X12 from the File Type drop-down. Depending on the file type selected, the corresponding message interchange detail section appears. From the Customer Interchange qualifier, select ZZ Mutually Defined. Enter the corresponding interchange production ID or interchange test ID. Click Next to go to Step 2, the Messages page. You can select the type of messages that you want to exchange with partners and define general message details. To select the type of messages that you exchange with the partner, click the Add Message button. A drop-down list showing all the supported message types appear. You can select the individual messages from the drop-down. You can also choose to add all the available message types by selecting the Add All option. For this demo, we will add 850 purchase order and 810 invoice only. Select 5030 from the message version drop-down and set mode to production for both the messages. These values are based on the EDI files that you want to share with your partners. You can choose to enable or disable a message with the status toggle option. You can add any transformation service from the list of available transformation services using the action menu for the custom service field. In the General Message Details section, you can select the Security Information Qualifier and the Authorization Information Qualifier. The inbound and outbound steps will be discussed in the further modules. To save the partner, click Save. This concludes the demo. In this lab, you will perform the following. Configure the general and message page to create a new partner. This module showed you how a partner is someone with whom we exchange the EDI files or some custom files. A partner could be a customer or a supplier. And you can create a partner in Informatica Cloud B2B Gateway to exchange the EDI information with them.